Welcome to my channel. Let's see where Nifty will move tomorrow, what strategy we need to apply, what we can expect from the market. Friends, yesterday we clearly discussed like if the market is opening flat and if it is crossing yesterday's swing, we'll be looking to sell the market and we'll be targeting up until 17,100. So what has happened, like we have seen a little bit of a gap up and market went all the way to the higher levels and it came in the search of liquidity and later it flushed and it came up until 17,200 in the futures and like I would say like 17,200 in the futures, and the whole day it was in a confined range. So nothing much momentum in the Nifty, like it was just a volatile market, like the premium decay was happening, not big momentum. As you can notice, first the market came here and later it tested a little bit lower levels and it bounced all the way to the higher levels, and later it was completely a sideways momentum. So you can notice like it was completely a sideways momentum, not big player were there in the market. As you can notice, a little bit of selling was happening after 2 o'clock. You can notice some selling came after 2 o'clock. That means the big players, they entered after 2 o'clock and they started to hit the market. Net to net, we have seen like a very good amount of a selling has taken place in the market. So we might see this continuation of a selling even tomorrow as well. So let's go into the structural format. So if you look into the structural format, I just want to show you clearly one thing. As you can notice, the structural format, once the market came, second time the market came, and third time the market has come. So that means you can notice very clearly head and shoulder patterns in Nifty. So as soon as the Nifty crosses these levels, the people who know about here, all the stops will be here somewhere. So these stop losses will get triggered and the market will come very aggressively at a lower levels. So we might see up until 17,100 tomorrow. If the market is opening flat and if it is going higher, I'm not interested, because again it will be in a volatile market tomorrow as well. So I'm not interested. I'll be looking to buy even on Monday. If this level crosses decisively, I'll definitely look to buy the market on Monday. But tomorrow I'm just looking at it lower levels. As soon as the market crosses 17,200, if it is opening flat and if it is crossing 17,200, we'll definitely look to sell the market and we'll target up until 17,100. And if the market is opening a big gap down, we'll just wait for the price action, because this levels acts as just a second. If the market is opening a gap down, if it is going and retesting these levels and if it is coming down, we'll definitely look to sell the market and we'll target up until 17,100. If I see a big gap up, yes, definitely I look to sell the market, because it might come retest. I can capture this move and later I'll decide whether it is going higher or is it making a volatile move. So nothing much to say in the Nifty. It was just a sideways range and most of the premiums got decay and nothing much was happening in the Nifty. Well, we'll go into the Bank Nifty now. We'll see what the Bank Nifty has done. So in the Bank Nifty, the thing is totally different. Yesterday we clearly discussed like if the market is opening flat or a gap up, we'll be looking to sell the market and we'll be targeting up until 37,600. Exactly, sorry, 37,600 was the first target and 37,400 was the first target. Exactly, the market has behaved same way as we expected, as our analysis we have done. You can go and watch our video. The market has opened a little bit of a gap up and there was an indecisive candle for 5 minutes, and later market went a little bit higher and I took the resistance somewhere here. You can notice like the seller was very much aggressive. The seller is aggressive and the seller is aggressive. So again, like it flushed all the way to the lower levels. So here and this move and this move, we trailed our stop loss to cost, and somewhere here I gave you like to buy a 38,000 put options of 160 rupees, and SL was nearly very small. Like I asked you to put the SL of 120, like 40 points of a stop loss. The high was nearly like 450 was the high. I urge you, please do see my things which I be posting at the Telegram channel, and you do your analysis as well and see on what basis I am giving the puts or a calls, and see on what basis the premiums are moving, and please trail your stop loss. Trailing is a stop loss is like sometimes if it moves like 50 points, trail your stop loss to the cost, because we'll be analyzing like I analyzed in the market yesterday. I clearly said like first target should be like 37,600 and next target should be like 37,400, right? So 37,600 first it achieved, and it came even 37,500. I was repeatedly posting for you like we might see another 200 points flush, but it came 17,000, 37,500, and it reversed back. So till 37,500 we made a good profit, but in end of the day, like the market has closed 37,450. So this was a low of today. Like I was expecting the same thing even in the Nifty as well, but we have achieved our targets in the Bank Nifty. But usually we trade in a Bank Nifty because the momentum in the Bank Nifty is really good. So we'll be trading only the Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty has given a very good profit for us. You can notice compared to Nifty, like the Bank Nifty was really weak. The seller was selling, the seller was selling, the seller was selling, and the seller was selling again. The seller kept selling at these levels, but 37,500 has acted as a good support. The market has a little bit bounced at a higher levels, and later it flushed all the way to our target to 37,450. Well, we made a very good profit today. I hope you all made the money in option buying. I've seen many of the YouTubers were giving a fake things like, okay, you can't make the money, like option buying, we can't see anything, like past from 2 days there is a big momentum in the market, like we might not see, the markets will be in a range, it will be a confined range, and we can't see any big momentum. All rubbish. Please don't listen or don't watch this kind of any YouTubers. These YouTubers are nothing good. They say like, okay, we trade, and they show the fake profit. Sorry, they say like we have made crores of a profit and everything is edited profits. We the professional traders, we trade and we never share our profits. It's because like sharing profits is like showing your dick. You show your dick, like how big is your dick, and what do you want to show your internal parts. It is same like that, like how big is your things and other things. So don't reveal your profits to anyone. Even I never ask my premium customers as well not to share the profits, because it feels for some other people like, yes, we lost the money, but he is enjoying our profits. I don't want to feel that guilty feeling, because the markets are there forever. Don't reveal any of your profits. If you are making profits, please do save the money, and don't watch this kind of YouTubers who has a huge number of fan followings. These people, they just do this for only for earning in the YouTube, nothing else. They don't know what is trading. The trading I explained you very clearly yesterday. Sorry, yesterday I clearly explained you. Just a second. Yesterday I clearly explained you like 37,500, 37,400 will be acting as a this thing. 37,400 should the market has to cross to the 37,400, and we'll be looking to or target up until 37,400. So exactly almost like 37,424 in futures and 37,450 in the cash market. Well, what we might expect for tomorrow's market? So tomorrow should be very simple. If the market is opening flat, we'll definitely look to sell the market. We'll target up until 37,000, because the momentum will be strong. If the market is opening flat and if it is going higher, we'll let it go. We won't be looking to buy the market. If the buyer wanted to buy, he would have bought here. He would have supported the market, but they don't have any intentions to buy the Bank Nifty especially. So I'm not interested to buy. Even don't buy the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is really looking weak. If the market is opening flat and if it is going high, we'll just avoid the market. Whenever it is crossing these levels, we'll definitely position ourselves and we'll look to buy the market, and we'll target up until 37,400. If we are seeing a big gap down, and if it is retesting, and if it is coming down, we'll definitely add our position somewhere here, and we'll target up until 37,000 levels. So on the buying side, again I'm telling you, please avoid the market. Don't buy the market, because 37,400 it has to come down once, and it has to wait for some liquidity, then it has to go. If the buyer wants to hold, and if he wants to take here, he has to spend some time, then he has to break out. He can't leave the market each and every price like this. Yes, today it happened because there was a option expiry, so they just wanted to reduce the premium of the options, so that is the reason like why they made a volatile market today. But we achieved our targets to 37,400 levels. So flat coming down, we'll definitely look to sell the market. We'll target up until 37,000 levels. As you can notice, like a good amount of a selling has taken place in the market. So again, we'll look to sell the market itself. Well, I hope you like my video. If so, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. And if this video is really informative, please share to your friends and share as much as possible. That will be a great support from you. Thank you. Thank you so much.